Okay, see Lindelof videos, synthetic division, more accurately called synthetic substitution, but I'm going to go ahead and use this. You have to be really careful with synthetic division because we can only use this when we're dividing by something that can be put into the form x minus k. So, and it's polynomial division here. So what I'm going to try is this, to show you how to use synthetic division using this question. 2x cubed minus x squared minus 8x plus 5 divided by this quantity. And because this quantity is what it is, we can use this. This x plus 3 fits this type. So we're going to do this. The weird thing is that you have to ask yourself, what is the k value? Because that's what we're going to use to divide by, the k value. So it says here that it's 3, but remember that we started out with x minus something. We had to put a number in here. And when we put our number in here, it gave us x plus 3. So as weird as it might seem to you, that value k for us is negative 3. So it's negative 3. All right? So k is negative 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this little platform here. And it looks like this, almost like an upside down division machine here. And I'm going to put my k value out here, negative 3. And then I'm going to list the coefficient values of all my terms. In this case, I want you to be aware that it's x cubed, then to the second, then to the first, then to the 0 power, x to the 0 power. So they're all accounted for. If not, I would have to use placeholders. So I have x cubes, I have x squareds, I have x's, and I have x to the 0 powers. And then we'll go from there. If I was just doing this math on my own, I have to admit to you, I would not be showing this crap at the top. I'm just showing it to you because I want you to see where I got it. I have 2x squareds, I have negative 1, I'm sorry, I have 2x cubed, I have negative 1x squared, I have negative 8x's, and I have 5x to the zeros, right? The next thing I have to show you is a little trick in it, is that you just drop this first piece down. From here, the machine works really, really well. And what I want you to know is that as this thing goes through this synthetic division, our x cubes go to x squareds, our x squareds go to x's, our x's goes to x to the 0, and our x to the zeros go to remainders. So let's take a look at this. This is all I'm going to do. I'm going to take this and multiply by this. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Oh, you know what? This was supposed to be plus. I apologize. So I have plus one of these. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. Check this out. Negative 3 times negative 5 is 15. Negative 8 plus 15 is 7. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. 5 minus 21 is negative 16. So here's the question that we just answered. The question we just answered was this. What is 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x plus 5 divided by x plus 3 equal to? And we use synthetic division. Now we have to put our answer back together. I told you that this, when it goes in the machine, it comes in here. When it comes out, it comes decremented by 1. So we're going to get 2x squareds minus 5x's plus 7, right? Plus negative 16 over x plus 3, because that's our remainder, isn't it? So hopefully this is helpful to you. It's just kind of a trick. It doesn't replace polynomial division, but some people really, really like it. Remember that it can only be used in very specific cases. So I hope this was really helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Thanks. Appreciate it.